Hi, Farmer Dean here. I love soup. Wintertime's coming, so I'm gonna make a lot of soup. In fact is, I'm gonna try to make a soup for you every day for 31 days. So the first one I'm gonna start with is my cheesy broccoli soup. So simple. We use 8 ounces of cheese, we've got some garlic, three cloves, a couple of onions, a couple of carrots. We're gonna make a roux, so I've got 3 tablespoons of flour. So I'm gonna show you the simple way to cut broccoli. We're gonna cut it like steaks. And then we're just gonna come back, cut her one more time, and it's done. I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. We're gonna put in the garlic, and we're gonna put in the onions, get them translucent, and then we're gonna put in the flour to make a roux. I'm gonna add my flour just to make a quick roux. So I got my roux made, and I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 cups of chicken stock. I'm gonna add my carrots, broccoli. I'm gonna let this cook for about 10-15 minutes to get that broccoli nice and soft. So to finish this off, we're gonna put 2 cups of milk, or you can use heavy cream, and then we're gonna put in all our cheese, and we're done. So I forgot to tell you, you can cut your broccoli as small or as large as you like. Here we go. OMGs, that's good. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, or follow. I'd appreciate it.